Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the super famous pasta type. This one in Italian is pronounced spaghetti. 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 Now, if you're an advanced learner or you're a native speaker, which vowel should you use? So we have two options really, but the correct diction requires a closed vowel. So we're going to work with E instead of E. So we're going to pronounce it spaghetti rather than spaghetti. However, I do have to underline that a lot of regions in Italy do pronounce it natively as spaghetti rather than spaghetti. So if you want to be proper, then spaghetti with a closed E. But even if you did pronounce it with an open E, do keep in mind that a lot of Italians do. What's really important is that you pronounce the T's correctly. So full T sound, not a flapping or soft D. We don't really say spaghetti in Italy. I mean, you can if you're not speaking Italian. If you're speaking English and that's your accent, not a problem. But if you do want to sound Italian, then the T needs to be fully pronounced, and you need a stronger, or more technically a longer sound, because you have two T's. So spaghetti rather than spaghetti, if you can tell the difference. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.